Good morning. Put your name on your top of your paper, and we are going to go through this. This is kind of like a test, okay? So I'm not going to give you the answers. I'm just going to read them to you, okay? So the first question, it says subtract. Subtract this symbol. Is it to take away a part from the whole? The answer in a subtraction problem, or is it 6 minus 5 equals 1? So which one of those is subtract? You're going to draw a line from subtract either to the symbol, take away a part from a whole, the answer in a subtraction problem, or 6 take away 5 equals 1. The minus sign is number 2. Which one is the minus sign? Which one is a subtraction number sentence? Which one of these is a subtraction number sentence? And this says the difference. So which one of these is the difference? To take away a part from a whole, or the answer in a subtraction problem? Which one is the difference? So you're going to be drawing lines to match for that one. Down here it says to tell a number story, write how many are left. How many hippos are left in the water? So you need to count those hippos that are left in the water and put your number right there. Flip over your paper. It says write a subtraction number sentence. So you're going to count how many giraffes are here, all of them. Write that number right there. Write a minus sign. Write how many were taken away. Write equals, and then write how many giraffes are left. So how many do not have an X through them. This part, it says subtract, okay? So we did this yesterday in vertical addition, subtraction. So you're going to count how many dominoes, how many dots are left, and you're going to write them in the box right there. Same thing over here. You're going to count how many are left and write them right there. This says there are 5 monkeys on a tree. 0 monkeys get out of the tree. How many monkeys are left on the tree? You're going to write it right here. So 5 monkeys on a tree. We're taking away nothing. No monkeys get off the tree. How many monkeys are left on the tree? This down here says there are 9 owls. 3 owls fly away. How many owls are left? So you're going to do 9 minus 3. So that's 6 owls, 11 owls, 7 owls, or 12 owls. You should have plenty of time to do this test during your math station. Okay guys, come see me when it is finished and double check that it's finished before you give it to me.